Hi everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're on this 2025 Premier Pontoon. It's the Solaris 230. Beautiful model, lots of great features, and today we're going to highlight some of those and give you a good overview of the boat. Wanted to start out with the front door here at the bow. If you notice, it's a clear door which serves several purposes. So when you're putting the boat on a trailer, it helps you see and line up a little bit better, or if you're approaching a dock as well. What it really is helpful for is when you've got your dogs on board, they can see through the door and see forward. It's great, they love it, it's easy to operate. Just lift, open, lift, and close. Piece of cake. This boat's got a raised helm station here with really nice high back, luxurious captain's chairs. The raised helm gives you a nice unobstructed view. I'm going to jump in here and go over a few features that are on this boat, like the nice armrests that fold and get out of the way. These seats, both captain's chairs, swivel and they're adjustable as well. Very, very comfortable boat. At the helm, it's very ergonomically designed and it has a lot of cool features, starting with the electronic digital controls for the Mercury 250 horsepower V8 engine. Also includes power hydraulic steering on this model as well. It's a pleasure to drive, handles extremely well, and it's very nimble. We also have a Simrad GPS sonar display built in, which is also going to show us our engine data as well. So it's a multi-function display showing us navigation, depth, engine data, and how much fuel we have left. Speaking of fuel, this boat has an incredible 47-gallon tank. It's part of the PTX hull system, which is very unique to Premier. Gives the boat exceptional handling, very similar to a fiberglass boat. This is not your grandpa's pontoon. Up at the helm here, we have our JL audio controls. This boat is equipped with a beautiful JL audio system, subwoofer, amplifier, 6 speakers throughout. Also on this boat, we've got a power top. So this bimini is lowered right now for the trailering position, or if you've got a boat lift with a roof and you need to lower it, it'll get all the way down here. We raise the top electronically and it opens electronically, making it very, very easy to deal with. Another neat feature on this boat that we can't see is we've got the skirt lighting underneath the deck, the exterior, and we can control the colors and the brightness with a knob over here on the right. Really cool lighting package. As we look out towards the back of the boat, we've got this awesome sun pad that has some really neat seating configurations. Right now I've got the backrest facing forward, so you can lounge out facing forward, and then I'm going to show you how this all converts as well. So the backrest simply lifts and tilts, so now you can also sit facing to the rear. If you're pulling a skier or pulling a tube, this boat does have the required safety rails for you to sit facing aft on a pontoon, very important. Another neat feature is if we lay this all the way down, we've got this incredibly wide open lounge area here with this boat that has tremendous amounts of storage under both of these seats. Now on the flip side, we've got another backrest here that we can raise. Now we've got a lounger that faces aft as well. Very versatile seating. And if you want to face forward and still have some lounging capabilities in the back, it adjusts to a third position. Thanks for coming in here and visiting MarineMax.com to check out this beautiful 2025 Solaris 23 from Premier Pontoons. If you'd like to set up a sea trial, you can reach me at 904-545-5310. Thank you.